The open road stretches out before you like a promise, or maybe a threat. It's all in how you look at it. As a truck driver, you can expect to earn anywhere from $30,000 to over $100,000 a year, depending on your experience, certifications, and the type of freight you haul. The Bureau of Labor Statistics puts the median pay at around $48,110 annually, but that's just the middle of the pack. Some drivers push the limits, hauling hazardous materials or oversized loads for six-figure salaries. The journey you take is yours to decide. It's a road paved with diesel, sweat, and the endless hum of tires on asphalt. You're 16, you're kneeling on the driveway, your hands slick with engine oil, and your shirt stained with the badges of mechanical curiosity. You've just spent the afternoon under the hood of your dad's old Ford, trying to figure out why it won't start. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and purple, but you're too focused to notice. This is where it all begins. You don't have a commercial driver's license, CDL, yet, but you're learning the ropes. You work part-time at a local garage, earning $14.90 an hour, absorbing everything you can about engines, transmissions, and the mechanical heartbeat of the vehicles that will one day be your livelihood. Your friends are off at the mall or glued to their phones, but you're elbow deep in grease, learning the practical skills that will set you apart. You watch YouTube tutorials on engine repairs, dreaming of the day you can take the wheel of a big rig. You know the statistics. Only about 10% of those who dream of the open road actually make it to the driver's seat, but you're determined to be part of that small percentage. The sound of a semi's horn blaring as it rumbles down the highway is like a siren's call to you. You imagine the freedom, the independence, and the responsibility that comes with it. But for now, you're content to learn, to soak in the knowledge like a sponge. You spend weekends at truck stops talking to real drivers, listening to their stories, and taking mental notes. You learn that the road isn't just a physical path, but a journey of perseverance, skill, and fortitude. This is the foundation of your future career, and it starts here, in your own backyard, with a wrench in your hand and a dream in your heart. You're 18, fresh out of high school, and the world is wide open. You've got your CDL permit in hand, and it feels like a golden ticket. The first time you sit behind the wheel of a 10-speed Freightliner Cascadia, you feel a mixture of fear and exhilaration. The cabin smells of diesel and stale coffee, and the seats are worn but comfortable. You're earning $23,000 a year as an entry-level driver with a local delivery company. It's not much, but it's a start. Your days start early, often before the sun rises. You load shipments of anything from groceries to construction materials, learning the importance of securing loads and maintaining schedules. You're part of a team, but when you're on the road, it's just you and the hum of the engine. You quickly learn to navigate the logistics of the job, reading maps, planning routes, and dealing with the inevitable delays that come with traffic and weather. Your first winter on the road is a trial by ice. You navigate treacherous conditions, gripping the wheel with white-knuckled intensity. The first time you jackknife on black ice, your heart leaps into your throat, but you manage to bring the truck to a stop without incident. It's a valuable lesson in caution and respect for the road. You invest in a quality pair of Red Wing boots and a Carhartt jacket, realizing that durability is key in this line of work. Slowly, you start to build a reputation as a reliable driver. Your bosses at the delivery company take note, and your colleagues start to trust you with more challenging routes. You're still at the bottom of the ladder, but every mile you drive is a step closer to your dream. You're 22, and the road is no longer a stranger. You've upgraded to a full CDL and pulled down $40,000 last year. You're driving for a mid-sized logistics company now, hauling freight across state lines in a Kenworth T680 with a Cummins X15 engine humming under the hood. You've traded local deliveries for long-haul routes, and your life is measured in miles and truck stops. Your truck is your second home. The sleeper cab is cramped, but you've made it your own with a mini fridge and a microwave. Your CB radio crackles with chatter as you cross the country, a lifeline to the other drivers who share your path. You've learned to live by the clock, balancing hours of service regulations with the demands of your dispatcher. You earn bonuses for safe driving and on-time deliveries, pushing your yearly earnings to nearly $50,000. On the road, you face challenges that test your mettle. An unexpected detour takes you through a maze of back roads, and a sudden downpour reduces visibility to near zero. But you've got the skills and the confidence now. You lean on your training, your instincts, and the knowledge that every problem has a solution. You've started to collect certifications like badges of honor, hazmat, tanker, doubles, triples. Each one opens new doors, new opportunities. The more you learn, the more you earn. Your company notices the dedication, and you're rewarded with more responsibility, hauling sensitive or high-value cargo. You've got your eye on the prize, more experience, more certifications, and maybe, one day, your own truck. The road is long, but you're in it for the journey. The rumble of the engine is a familiar friend now, and the horizon is just a new beginning. You're 28, and the road is your domain. You've earned your stripes, and your paycheck reflects it. You're pulling in $65,000 a year now. You're a seasoned pro with a reputation for reliability and skill. You've upgraded to a top-of-the-line Peterbilt 579 with a Packer MX-13 engine that's as dependable as the sunrise. You've specialized in hauling oversized loads, wind turbine blades, industrial machinery, things that turn heads and demand precision. The job requires nerves of steel and a mind for logistics. You work with escort vehicles, coordinate with state troopers, and plan routes with surgical precision. The pay is good, but the stakes are high. One mistake can cost thousands, if not lives. Your toolkit is a testament to your expertise. You carry a range of equipment from brands like Snap-on and Mac Tools, and your truck is outfitted with the latest safety gear and telematics systems. You know every inch of your rig, and you perform regular maintenance with the care of a surgeon. The camaraderie among drivers is real, and you find a community in the CB radio waves and truck stops across the nation. You share tips, road conditions, and stories from the road. You're not just a driver, you're part of a brotherhood. Your certifications are a testament to your dedication. CDL Class A with endorsements for hazmat, tankers, and doubles or triples. You've considered getting a Transportation Worker Identification Credential, TWIC, to expand your opportunities even further. You're a master of your craft, respected by peers and employers alike. The road is your stage, and every day is a performance of precision, skill, and professionalism. You're 34, and the open road is no longer your only domain. You've transitioned from driver to manager, overseeing a fleet of trucks and a team of drivers. Your salary has climbed to $80,000 a year, and your responsibilities have expanded far beyond the driver's seat. Your office is filled with the hum of dispatch radios and the clatter of keyboards. You monitor routes, coordinate logistics, and ensure compliance with federal regulations. The skills you've honed on the road are invaluable here. Problem solving, time management, and an unflappable temperament under pressure. Your team respects you because you've been where they are. You know the challenges they face, the sacrifices they make. You make it a point to advocate for their needs, ensuring they have the equipment, training, and support they need to succeed. You work closely with HR to develop training programs and safety protocols, using your experience to shape the next generation of drivers. The transition from driver to manager wasn't easy. You miss the freedom of the open road, the solitude, and the adventure, but you've found a new kind of satisfaction in leadership. You take pride in your team's successes, their safe deliveries, and their growth. You've also become a mentor, sharing your knowledge and experience with younger drivers. You teach them not just how to drive, but how to navigate the complexities of the industry. Your influence reaches beyond the confines of your office and into the wider world of trucking. The road is still part of you, but now it's a road of a different kind, a path toward leadership, influence, and legacy. You're 40 and you've reached the pinnacle of your career. You're not just managing a fleet, you own it. Your trucking company is your pride and joy, a testament to years of hard work and dedication. Your salary is largely determined by the success of your business, but it's not unusual for owners in this position to earn $100,000 to $150,000 annually. The transition from driver to owner wasn't straightforward, and it required capital, loans, investments, and a deep understanding of the industry. But you had the vision, the drive, and the right connections. Over the years, you've built a reputation for reliability and excellence, and your client list reflects that. You oversee operations from a high level, making strategic decisions about routes, clients, and growth opportunities. You negotiate contracts, manage finances, and ensure compliance with a labyrinth of regulations. It's a world away from the driver's seat, but every decision you make is informed by your years on the road. Your fleet is a showcase of efficiency and technology. You've invested in top-tier trucks from brands like Volvo and Freightliner, equipped with the latest safety and telematics systems. Your drivers are among the best in the industry, trained and mentored by you and your team. You've thought about the future, about selling the business or passing it on. Either option promises a comfortable retirement, but for now, you're content to steer the ship. And you've come a long way from the teenager who dreamed of the open road. The journey wasn't easy, but looking back, every mile was worth it. The open road still calls to you, but now it sings a song of achievement and legacy. The road is more than a line of asphalt stretching to the horizon. It's a journey of growth, challenge, and reward. As a truck driver, you've traveled not just across states and highways, but across the stages of a career. From the grease-stained hands of a beginner to the strategic mind of an owner, each mile has shaped you. The hum of the engine, the call of the open road, it never leaves you. It's a part of who you are, a testament to the grit and determination that define your path. The road is a life lived fully with all its bumps and turns, and as you look back, you see not just the miles, but the life you've built, 1 mile at a time,